I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you one of my protein supplements. It's this Evolve plant-based vanilla protein drink. What I love about this is that it gives me an entire 20 grams of protein. I typically am protein deficient. After a long day, I don't eat enough protein. These have been coming in handy for me. I also love that it comes with 10 grams of fiber, because I also struggle with getting my fiber in daily. I love that it doesn't have that many ingredients and the ingredients aren't complicated. Most importantly, I love the flavor. To me, it tastes like I'm drinking melted ice cream. So it tastes really good, but it's packed with so many benefits. Because they come in these little convenient bottles, I can always just toss them in my bag and just take them on the go with me. And they do not require refrigeration. Dairy usually makes me break out, so I love that these are also plant-based. So I highly recommend them if you are looking for a really tasty vegan protein drink. And that's my point of view.